Hello, it's a pleasure to meet you today. I hope you are doing well.
Hello, thank you. I'm doing quite well, and it's nice to meet you too.
These days, people seem increasingly overwhelmed due to excessive work pressure.
That is absolutely true, as continuous stress has become a serious threat to human health.
Prolonged mental stress can adversely affect the immune system and overall vitality.
Moreover, individuals who ignore stress often experience insomnia and emotional instability.
Adopting a healthy lifestyle can significantly mitigate the harmful effects of stress.
For instance, regular exercise and adequate sleep contribute to mental equilibrium.
In addition, seeking professional guidance should be encouraged rather than stigmatized.
I completely agree, because prioritizing mental health leads to a more productive and fulfilling life.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.